Hi, and thank you for watching. So I am super nervous for this video because I purchased boots online and I have big legs and I just have not had very good luck fitting my big legs into boots lately. So to buy something online is kind of, but I really hope that these work out. I purchased a pair of designer shoes, boots by Saint Laurent, but yeah, I got big legs, so hopefully this works out. I am not small, I have like big legs. I tried on Sam Edelman boots, both styles that were available this fall, and they did not fit. Steve Madden didn't fit, Stuart Weitzman didn't fit. So I'm just really hoping that these fit. They were on sale for 40 or 60% off or something like that, so it was a really good sale. So I'm really hoping that these fit. I should take the rubber bands off. Does this look like a coffin? I found these on Nordstrom. I've been looking at these boots for a long time and they were sold out on Nordstrom of my size, and then they went like, I don't remember if it was 40 or 60% off, but big enough to like be cool and like feel like you missed out. But then they came back in stock in 8. There's no name, it just says boots, but hopefully these fit. There is plastic. I hope these fit. Oh my gosh, I hope these fit. So here they are. A little bit hard to see because they're black. Those look really nice. And then inside here you just get two very long dust bags and the care card or authenticity, whatever. I'm really nervous. These are my socks. I'm so nervous. These are my Christmas present to myself. I think my calves are like 14 inches or 15 or like, I don't know, really big, but try these out. Wait, there's no zipper. Okay, there is no zipper. What am I supposed to do? They fit. Can you see this? They fit. Okay, I'm so glad that I can get these on my leg. My right leg is bigger than my left, so I'm so happy to announce that these fit. Oh my goodness. I am in pajamas right now, but I just really wanted to make sure. Oh, they fit. Oh, this is great news. Possibilities are endless for outfits. I love that it goes straight on the back. It's not like a slit or anything, it just is straight on the back. I love these. They're big leg friendly, calves and thighs. Can you see? Yeah. So these boots I think are so cute. So the heel, I'll put all the details down below because I don't even remember anything. I purchased these a while ago and I just haven't opened them. But these are suede boots. They like crinkle a lot right here. I hope I don't get a blister for how much these are crinkling. I'm just so glad I could get these on though. I bet it wouldn't crinkle as much if I had smaller legs, but they are thigh-high boots. The heel is not high. They're not super pointed toe, you know. I mean, I guess they're pretty pointy, but they're not scary. The heel is low and chunky, so you could wear these as everyday boots. If you want to wear them lower, like just over the knee, you can like slouch them down. How cute are these? So yeah, definitely. Okay, I want to try some outfits. You guys, this has been the most nerve-wracking unboxing. I can't even get my legs into most boots. So it's like really difficult, and I get really stressed out and like not down on myself because I wouldn't trade my legs for anything, but it's just a hassle and like having to buy boots. I buy a lot of boots on Amazon that don't work out, and then I'm too lazy to return them, so I just bring them to Goodwill. It's a task finding boots. So I'm really excited that my first pair of designer boots worked out. I love Saint Laurent. I'm 5'5", so these look like they would go great on really tall girls too. And then even if you do have slimmer legs, like you could wear them. They're slouchy anyway. So I think that these are really versatile and would look good on so many people. I actually think that they're sold out on Nordstrom. I'll find them. I think I have them saved on so many different links. My true size is 7.5, and it does say to order half a size up, which I'm so glad. These fit perfectly. Like the shoe fits perfectly. They fit around my big legs. I am so excited about this. Shoes, I'm kind of getting into it. I do have some pre-loved shoes, and I have no shame in my game when it comes to that. But these, I've been looking for these even pre-loved, and I couldn't find them. So I'm really excited about it. And yes, I'm like literally wearing these. I can't stop. I don't think I'm gonna get out of these today. I have some pairs from Amazon. I wear them almost every day to work. I love them. They're so comfortable. I've worn these, so they're kind of dirty, but these are the ones from Amazon. They have that like slit in the back, which is nice because you can fit your big legs in here, but over time they like fall. They get really droopy on. So I just wear these for work. I think they're like 40 bucks or something. I definitely don't mind wearing those to work. I do have to repurchase often, and sometimes they're not available. So I am getting kind of sweaty. I don't know if it's like I'm nervous or because I'm in a hoodie with these lights, but I'm getting kind of sweaty and I can feel the sweat in these boots. I bet these would look so cute with leggings. There might even be enough room in here to wear jeans, but I don't really like wearing jeans unless it's for work. For how little I go out, even before 2020, like I like to dress up because I never go out. So I don't usually wear jeans out. And if you guys were wondering, like I purchased these myself. Like if I'm not doing like a what I got for Christmas music video. What? I'm not doing a what I got for Christmas video because all I asked for was a Dyson and I got it. It's not really fitting for my channel. So yes, thank you so much for watching. This was a win for me. I'm so excited about it. Thank you. And yeah, you'll definitely see these on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me already, it's just xoxo Francesca Fox, same as this channel. I have a lot of other luxury videos on my channel. I have some makeup hauls and all that kind of stuff. So tune into those too, and I will see you in my next video.